These are conchas. This is vermicelli. These are very cheap meals if you're not getting your SNAP benefits or just if you want to try to save money. They're usually like under 50 cents a bag, and one bag makes a lot of food. This is one bag, and you basically just get some oil and you saute the onions in the concha shells until they're golden brown. I added a little hamburger to it, cooked the hamburger with it, and just, while it's browning. And then you add 1 can of tomato paste, 1 can. And then you can season it with just salt and pepper, or you could just, do some garlic salt, oregano, whatever you want. This will feed a family. And if you add like a salad or a can of vegetables, there you go, that's your meal. So this is the conchas. I cooked it and I topped it with a little bit of Parm cheese. And that's it. I mean, this is a meal, and it's like they're very cheap. I mean, a can of tomato sauce. If you do sauce, you probably have to do 2 cans. But the paste, you just do 1 can of paste, and then add the water. Make sure add the water first, and then do 1 can of paste. And then don't add too much water. You want to do a little bit at a time, so this way you get it to the thickness that you want. If you want more of a watery sauce, then add a little more water. You can top with a little mozzarella if you want, or just leave it like this. It's a good side dish, or it's a good for a meal. This is vermicelli, and you cook it the same way.